It's December 7th. We're in Amarillo. Pismo Beach is 1,160 miles away, and Karen's birthday is in 96 hours. To make it, we have to cross time zones, find a portal in Santa Fe, and survive a ghost town weed store. Welcome to the Birthday Dash. First stop, Adrian, Texas, the exact mathematical center of the Mother Road. So 1,139 miles to Chicago, it's a moment of zen. Or to LA, ultimate halfway there moment for anyone who loves asphalt and irony. If you're here, try the ugly crust pie. Your soul will thank you, even if your personal trainer won't. We hit Glenrio. Then, things got weird. A ghost town straddling the state line. It's a graveyard of mid-century dreams. It's not totally abandoned. It's got ruins, it's got history, and it's got a weed store. Nothing says the New West like buying a high-grade cannabis in a town that literally fell off the map. We crossed into New Mexico and gained an hour of life thanks to the time zone gods. Tucumcari was once the gateway to the West, famous for its 2,000 motel rooms. Today, it's a living museum of neon and adobe. We spent our extra hour wisely. Lunch at La Cita. If you don't eat Mexican food under a giant concrete sombrero, did you even visit the Southwest? And this is the outflow. Very clear water.
We're at some sort of blue hole, and I know nothing about it. Tree said it's $10. I'm like, just try to go up there for free and take a picture and a video. I don't know what it is. Doesn't look like much, but I'll show you guys.
Santa Rosa. We hit the blue hole. This isn't a pond, it's a natural artesian spring 81 feet deep and a constant 62 degrees. It's a sapphire dropped into the desert dust. It's breathtaking, it's freezing, and we're back on the road before our hair can dry because that birthday clock is ticking. December 8th, Santa Fe. We entered the House of Eternal Return. It started in an old bowling alley and became a global phenomenon. We spent the day as detectives, tracking the Cadillac Pastor family through the rifts. We found logs about Nemescu, the family hamster. He was the first test subject, and now he's an immortal being watching us from the vents. Don't trust the hamster. Arizona bound, we blew past Winslow and the Meteor crater. I've stood on that corner with Ben and John, and the crater, it's a 50,000-year-old cosmic oopsie. Once you've seen the universe hit a bullseye from 400 feet up, you've seen it. We're trading the ticket line for the fast lane. December 9th, the Petrified Forest. You're looking at the Triassic period. These aren't logs, they are fossils from 225 million years ago. Silica replaced the wood cells, turning organic life into semi-precious quartz.
Look how pretty this is. I love it. I'm just gonna move on top of a mountain and live here. We're looking at petroglyphs.
If you look at the two rocks at the base of these two rocks, that's the easiest to see. These binoculars will help you too because they're kind of, placed. See what I'm saying? You can see the two figures right there, like plain as day, and the one facing you. Like the rock that's tilted down at the base, at that corner.
Oh.
See it?
Yep.
And then the next rock over, you can see the two faces there on that corner also. It's a reminder that even the most vibrant things eventually turn to rock, which is exactly how my legs feel after 10 hours of driving. We're sleeping in a concrete cone at Wigwam Village number 6. It's Route 66 royalty, but check the architecture. This massive teepee, it has a flat ceiling. It's basically a standard hotel room wearing a party hat. It's architectural catfishing at its finest. But here's the reality. The SS Struggle bus has officially left the port. Tensions are high, dogs are snapping, and I am the lead clown. I'm stressed. Karen is over it. We are drastically under-caffeinated. We're in the doghouse. Literally. Will the fog save our marriage or just hide the bodies? Next up, mountain routes, the Tehachapi train spiral, and the $100 a night sanity splurge. Subscribe to join the race. Drop a comment. Would you sleep in a concrete cone? See you on the road.
Join us on this ride. Together we have